Alright, so today we're going to be talking about doing a claim evidence reasoning essay, and I'm going to use this HyperDoc so that it can guide you along in your learning. If you look, the learning goals, we're going to be learning how to identify, sort, and order the main ideas and supporting details for writing a CER using various strategies. For the first part of this HyperDoc, I'd like you to think about these following questions. How has the media shaped your life? Are you affected? We've talked a lot in class about body image, how media ads can make us feel less about ourselves. And just, do you think the media influences society into believing things? Think about those as you're doing your claim evidence reasoning piece. So in your Explore section, you're going to see that there are all of these blue links are the hyperlinks that they're going to be using, that you can use. What I want you to do in this Explore piece is to check out at least one of these resources, and they're all based on gender media studies. And whichever one you choose to look at, I want you to leave a brief comment about something you learned. Maybe there's one point in there that you learned about this, and you can just click on everybody has their own document, so you can click on this and just leave a comment about something that you learned. Okay, this is the meat and potatoes of our assignment. This is where you're going to learn what a CER is. So you're going to click on the hyperlink here, writing a CER. This is how you really build a strong argument in your writing. You're going to click on this, so if you click on claim, you'll see that it is a hyperlink. You can click to go to that. It's a short video that's going to explain what the claim is. After you've watched that video, I want you to type in this section what you think a claim is. Okay? So you can develop a claim about the text from watching this. Okay, the second part, again, it's a hyperlink. This is where you find your evidence, where you can find good evidence to back up your argument piece. And again, you're going to be doing the same thing. You're going to define evidence in your own words. Same thing with reasoning. It's a short little clip, and you should be able to watch it, and you're going to define reasoning in your own words. So then we also have, you can watch a CER being written here, so that's another link that you can look at, and then there's a sample of a good CER, what it looks like. Okay? After you've done all those steps, you can look at the apply section, where you can begin to write your own. Now I've done a list of topics that are all having to do with technology and media, and things that could be controversial in today's society. Okay, so you can pick one of those topics. Make sure it's something that's very strong, that you really believe in, and you're going to argue either for or against this thing. That's going to be your very strong claim. Okay, this organizational brainstorm I will have printed for you, and you can start working on that to kind of organize your thoughts and how you're going to do your argument. This is just simply a list of transitional phrases. When you're doing an essay, you want to make sure that you have those discourse markers first, then next. This is just a list to help you organize your writing. This also is a checklist that you can see, okay, once I'm finished, I can make sure that I have this, 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 and this, so that it's a good piece, and then here's your rubric. Okay? I'm pretty sure everybody, if they started with their brainstorming activity, that's something they can do during the day today to get that finished. So then after we're done writing our claim evidence reasoning on a doc, you can share it with somebody else for peer editing. Please use the spell check. Please use everything. Your communication mark is 40%. Of your whole grade, so make sure that you don't have those silly errors in your writing. Okay, I'd also like you to give constructive comments when you're doing this, so always look back at the rubric. Keep the rubric open in a tab. Does this essay follow what it needs to do. Okay, and then the last thing that we're going to do is a Padlet, and we'll talk about this. We're not going to get there yet, but we'll talk about the Padlets. But if you want to look at the Padlet, the password for it, you can click on this, and the password is CER to get into the Padlet. And this is something that we're going to do at the end of this, okay? So good luck. If you have any questions, you can always email me. Have a great day.